my peanut butter cups. Did you know the Lunar New Year is coming soon? And guess what? This year's animal is a snake. So, wouldn't it be super fun to make some DIY snakes? Today, I'm going to show you how to make 2 kinds of snakes with paper. Are you ready? Let's make a zigzag snake. Things we need: plastic eyes, color papers any 2 colors, scissors or a blade cutter, glue, a black marker, a small piece of red paper, a ruler. Take 2 color papers, fold them in half. Then fold in half again. And one more time. Use a blade cutter or scissors to cut the paper into long strips. Yay! We've got our strips! Take 2 strips from each color. Glue the corners together like this, and stick them. Now, start folding the strips in a zigzag pattern, one over the other. It's so fun! When the strips run out, glue another strip to make it longer. Keep folding until your snake's body is long enough. Glue and paste the end together. Wow! Look at this! Now for the face. Take a color paper and draw a cute snake face. Cut it out. Use a red paper to cut out a little tongue for the snake. Stick the tongue on the snake's face. Add plastic eyes. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and draw tiny nose lines with the black marker. Glue the snake's face onto the zigzag body. Ta-da! Look at our zigzag snake! Isn't it cool? You can play with it and show your friends. It's time to make chain snake. Take color papers and cut them into strips, just like before. Cut those strips in half to make them shorter. Now let's make a chain. Take 1 strip, glue the ends, and make a loop. Take another strip of a different color, put it through the loop, and glue the ends to make the next loop. Keep adding loops until the chain is long enough to make the snake's body. Take a color paper and fold it in half. Draw the snake's face with a rectangle shape at the top. This part will help us stick it to the body. Cut it out. Use a red paper to cut out a cute tongue for the snake. Glue it onto the face. Stick the snake's face at the top of the chain. Follow the same process for snake's tail. Stick the snake's tail at the bottom. Draw eyes and nose on the snake's face with a black marker. You can also draw some fun patterns on the snake's body. Woohoo! Our chain snake is done. Isn't it so colorful and fun to play with? I had the best time making these snakes, and I hope you did too. If you try this at home, make sure to share your snake photos with me on socials and tag me. I'd love to see them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss my next craft vlog. Bye! See you soon with another fun craft.